So, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the location from a photo in this device. For this, first of all, open the Photos application and you need to select the photo that you want to remove this location from the photo. So let me show you. First of all, this is the photo. Now I am going to remove the location from this device, from this photo. So after this one, here you can see one I button on the bottom tab. If you tap on this one, so here you can see the location. You can see here this photo is taken from the mandala. You can see, if you tap on this one, you can see the detail view. You can see here, right? Now let me show you how to remove the location from this photo. Okay, now tap on the three dots on the top right side. Here you can see the option adjust location. Tap on this one. Tap on, you can see the location right here. So to remove the location, tap on the option no location. That's it. If you again tap on the I button on the bottom tab, now you can see the location is disabled. Actually the location is disabled. Okay, now again I will show you. Tap on three dots, tap on adjust location, revert. You can see here the option revert. Tap on this one. That's it. Again tap on the I button. You can see the location is here. So simply in this way you can remove the location from a photo in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.